Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's talk about Lexus hybrid batteries, how they work, how long they last, and what owners should really expect. Lexus hybrid battery replacement and repair options. When your Lexus hybrid battery shows signs of trouble, you have some clear choices to make. You can restore your vehicle's performance and efficiency. It is important to know your options so you can pick the best path for your budget and needs. Dealership replacement costs and processes. Choosing a Lexus dealership for hybrid battery replacement offers a straightforward, albeit often the most expensive, solution. Dealerships provide original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts, guaranteeing a direct fit and consistent quality. Here's what you can generally expect. High costs. A new hybrid battery from a Lexus dealership can be a significant investment. Prices for the battery itself often range from $4,000 to $8,000, not including labor. Installation typically adds another $500 to $1,500 to the total bill. The final cost depends on your specific Lexus model and the regional labor rates. Factory warranty. A major benefit of dealership replacement is the peace of mind that comes with a new battery warranty. Lexus usually provides a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty on hybrid components, including batteries, for new vehicles in emission-regulated states. For replacement batteries, the warranty period can vary. Always confirm the exact terms with your dealership. Expert technicians. Dealerships have specialized technicians trained specifically on Lexus hybrid systems. They use proprietary diagnostic tools and follow factory procedures for installation. This ensures the work meets manufacturer standards. The process usually involves diagnostics to confirm the battery issue, ordering the new part, and then installation. They will also clear any error codes and perform necessary system checks. This thorough approach helps avoid future problems related to the replacement. Independent shop and refurbished battery options. For those looking for more budget-friendly alternatives to a new dealership battery, independent shops and refurbished batteries are worth considering. These options can save you money, but they come with different considerations. Here are the pros and cons of these alternatives. Independent shops. Many specialized independent shops service hybrid vehicles. They often have experience with Lexus models and can offer lower labor rates than dealerships. Pros. Lower labor costs. Independent mechanics often charge less per hour for labor. This can significantly reduce your overall repair bill. Personalized service. You might experience more personalized communication and flexibility. Experienced technicians. Many independent shops specialize in hybrid repairs. They have technicians with extensive experience working on these complex systems. Cons. Parts sourcing. They might use aftermarket or refurbished batteries. Ensure you understand the quality and warranty of the parts they plan to install. Variable expertise. The quality of independent shops can vary. Always research and choose a reputable shop with good reviews and specializations in hybrid repair. Refurbished hybrid batteries. Refurbished batteries are another viable option. These are often original batteries that have had their weaker cells replaced or reconditioned. Pros. Significant savings. Refurbished batteries are considerably cheaper than new ones. They often cost 50% or less than a brand new battery. Environmentally friendly. Opting for a refurbished battery supports recycling and reduces waste. Often come with a warranty. Most reputable suppliers of refurbished batteries offer their own warranties. These might not be as long as a new battery warranty, but they provide protection. Look for warranties ranging from 1 to 3 years. Cons. Shorter lifespan. While reconditioned, a refurbished battery might not last as long as a brand new one. The remaining original cells will continue to age. Performance variability. Performance can depend on the quality of the reconditioning process. Some refurbished batteries may perform better than others. Source reliability. it is important to buy from a trusted refurbisher. Research their process and customer reviews before making a purchase. Tips for extending your Lexus hybrid battery life. Keeping your Lexus hybrid battery in top shape not only ensures optimal fuel efficiency but also delays the need for costly replacements. While these batteries are durable, how you drive and care for your vehicle plays a big role in their longevity. Let's look at some practical ways to extend the life of your hybrid battery. Regular maintenance and monitoring. Think of your hybrid battery as the heart of your Lexus hybrid system. It needs consistent care to perform well. Ignoring regular checkups can lead to bigger problems down the road. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule is a simple yet powerful way to protect your battery. Here is why regular maintenance matters for your hybrid battery. Software updates. Lexus frequently releases software updates for its hybrid systems. These updates can improve how the battery manages its charge and discharges, making it more efficient and extending its life. Your dealership will apply these during routine service. Cooling system checks. The hybrid battery generates heat, especially during charging and discharging. It relies on a dedicated cooling system. During maintenance, technicians clean the battery cooling fan and its air ducts. Blocked vents from dust or debris can cause the battery to overheat, shortening its lifespan. Diagnostic scans. Modern Lexus vehicles have sophisticated diagnostic systems. Regular scans can catch potential battery issues early, often before they become noticeable problems. This allows for proactive solutions rather than reactive repairs. Fluid checks. While not directly battery related, ensuring all other vehicle fluids are at optimal levels helps the entire car run efficiently. This reduces the overall strain on the engine and hybrid system, which indirectly benefits the battery. Paying attention to your vehicle's diagnostics means not ignoring those dashboard warning lights. If you see a "check hybrid system" warning, get it looked at right away. Early detection can save you time and money. Driving habits for optimal battery health. Your driving style has a direct impact on your hybrid battery's health. Smooth, consistent driving patterns reduce stress on the battery, allowing it to work efficiently and last longer. Think about it like a marathon runner. They conserve energy to last the whole race. Adopt these driving habits to help your battery thrive. Smooth acceleration and deceleration. Avoid sudden, aggressive acceleration. This draws a large amount of power from the battery quickly, putting stress on the cells. Similarly, smooth braking allows the regenerative braking system to efficiently recharge the battery, rather than relying on the friction brakes. Minimize prolonged idling. When your Lexus hybrid is idling, especially in traffic, the gasoline engine might frequently cycle on and off to maintain the battery charge. This causes wear and tear. If you are stuck in a long line, consider turning the vehicle off if it is safe to do so. Manage battery charge levels. Most Lexus hybrids manage their battery charge automatically. However, try to avoid consistently driving with a very low or very high state of charge. The system performs best when the battery operates within its optimal range. If your driving patterns always keep the battery near empty, it can accelerate degradation. Regenerative braking during gentle stops helps keep the charge balanced. By driving smoothly, you allow the hybrid system to operate as intended, optimizing power flow and energy recovery. This gentle approach is key to long-term battery health. Environmental considerations, temperature management. Extreme temperatures are a battery's worst enemy. Both very hot and very cold conditions can accelerate degradation and reduce efficiency. Protecting your Lexus hybrid battery from these extremes is crucial for its longevity. Keep these environmental tips in mind. Seek shade when parking. Whenever possible, park your Lexus in a shaded area, especially on hot sunny days. Direct sunlight can significantly raise the internal temperature of your car and, consequently, the hybrid battery. A garage or covered parking spot is ideal. Avoid extreme hot climates, when possible. While you cannot change your climate, be aware that consistently operating your hybrid in very high temperatures puts more strain on the battery. If you live somewhere with extreme heat, make sure your car's air conditioning and battery cooling systems are always working well. Pre-condition your cabin, winter. In very cold weather, consider using your remote start or plugging in your vehicle, if it is a plug-in hybrid, to precondition the cabin. This warms the interior and indirectly brings the battery closer to its optimal operating temperature before you start driving. A warm battery performs better and charges more efficiently. By being mindful of temperature, you help the battery maintain its efficiency and reduce the stress that can lead to premature aging. Your Lexus hybrid will thank you with many more miles of smooth, efficient driving. Lexus vehicles are known for their strong reliability. Knowing the facts about Lexus VTEC and understanding hybrid battery care helps you keep your car running well. While VTEC is a Honda technology, Lexus uses its own effective VVTi system. Both aim to improve engine performance differently. Hybrid batteries, central to Lexus's efficiency, have a lifespan that can be extended with smart driving habits and regular maintenance. Recognizing signs of battery wear and knowing your replacement options ensures you can address issues proactively. Whether choosing a new battery from the dealership or a refurbished one from an independent shop, solutions are available. By taking care of your Lexus, you can continue to enjoy its renowned reliability and smooth driving experience for many years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.